To start earning from YouTube, you need 4,000 watch time and 1,000 subs, which seems very hard for most creators. Some take years to achieve it. But if you watch this video till the end, you will be easily gain not only 1,000, but 10K subs easily. I am going to separate this video in 5 different topics. First topic, connecting psychology to your content. What does it mean? Use color psychology in your video, for example. In this Mr. Beast video, the subject has blue clothes on, which makes him stand out from the rest. But what if he was in color green? It would be hard to notice him. So the tips to use color psychology is, use red color if you want to grab attention. Red stands for stop, as the traffic lights are red as well. Use color green if you want to define goal your output, as green means go and our eye fells comfortable with these. Second topic, thumbnails. Why thumbnails? Thumbnails is the most important part of your content because the viewer sees your thumbnail before your video. If your thumbnail is eye-catching, then the viewers can't avoid clicking to your videos. Use the color sense in making your thumbnails, keep it clean, and try to describe your video in thumbnail. For example, see this Mr. Beast thumbnail. You can see the subject is Mr. Beast, which is at the front, and the goal is beside that. The boat, which is the goal. And the gun represents what is going to happen in that video. So try to make thumbnails that describes your content easily. Third topic, title, description. You know that the most fundamental part of one video is its title, description. For example, not eating sugar for 75 days and leaving sugar for 75 days. This is what happened. Which one are you going to pick? In my case, I will be picking the second title because it's making me curious and it's playing with my emotions. So get an interesting title and explain your video in the description in short using keywords. Fourth topic, consistency. Nothing is easy in this world, so if you want to reach 10K subs by 75 days, then you need to be constant. No matter what happens, you should not stop. Try uploading 1 video per day or 1 video in 2 days, because if you're active, your viewers are active too. Fifth topic, niches. Find yourself a perfect niches and only work on those niches, because you will be more good and efficient in the things you know than the things you don't. So thanks for watching till the end. Comment down below if you watched till the end. Join our Telegram chat to get helped personally or just to chill out.